Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can trim videos on Canva. So just search for the video that you want, for instance like flower videos, and just add it to your Canva page. And then to trim the video, as you can see, there's like this scissors icon. You're just going to select that. And to basically trim it, you're going to select this bit and like move it to the right side. And if you want to trim the ends, you can also move this to the left side. And your video is going to be 10 seconds here, and you can like adjust the seconds even like here, and it's going to trim your video to like about 4.9 seconds or like 5 seconds if you want to. And once you're done, just press the done, and then your video is going to be trimmed, and it's going to only be 5 seconds from that 20 seconds time frame, and you can export it and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.